All right, my people, welcome back onto this one. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. We say a very big amen to that. All right, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. This is serious. Well, majority of people have no wished him post Umar's birthday. This is serious. Well, happy post Umar's birthday, Adogan. May your soul continue to rest with your creator, our hero. All right, so this had been what had been gathered so far. Well, my people, today happens to be the birthday of the late Adogan, who was killed in Chief Sunday Igboho's house on July 1st, 2021. All right, my people, and then as it stands right now, majority of people have expressed their happy posthumous birthday concerning him. Well, this is another serious one. Well, my people, how Igboho's associate was killed by DSS when bullet failed to penetrate him. All right, my people, well, onto this, the umbrella body of Yoruba self-determination group, Ilana Homo Hudua, has alleged that operatives of the Department of State Services during the raid on the Ibadan residence of Yoruba activist Sunday Adeyemo Igboho shot at one of the Igboho's associates at the gun 48 times before butchering him to death. Well, in a statement shared with Sahara reporters by Olayomi Koiki, Igboho's media head, the Ilana Homo Odua group led by historian Professor Banji Akintoye claimed that the DSS operatives shot Saheed Adisa, popularly called the gun 48 times, and then when the bullet failed, a mortar was used to kill the young man. Well, my people, majority of people right now are not trying to remember what actually happened, how he was killed, and then this time around today happens to be his birthday. Well, and the majority of people have been wishing him a happy posthumous birthday. All right, and then as it stands right now, we're trying to recall how it all happened. Well, according to what had been gathered, it has been said that the DSS so brutally decapitated Adogan's body that they were ashamed to leave his body behind. They whisked his body away, but his blood trailed them from Chief Igboho's living room to the DSS headquarters in Abuja. RIP. This had been said. RIP, my good brother. No going back on the Yoruba Nation Lagos rally goes on. Well, and this had been said earlier. Well, Koiki also said one of them was shot by the DSS while a bullet did not kill the other person. They tried shooting at him, but he was not affected, so they butchered him. They killed him in cold blood. Well, recall that the DSS confirmed the attack on Igboho's house, stating that they killed two allies of the Yoruba right activist during invasion of his residence in Ibadan, Oyo State. All right, my people, exactly today, today happens to be the birthday of Adogan. The majority of people wished him happy posthumous birthday. May your soul continue to rest with your creator and then hero. All right, my people, and then according to what had been gathered, the Odudua nation had continued to exist, and the people are still of the opinion that no going back. And then when you look at what is going on, you will definitely understand with this group that they are actually doing the right thing, because nothing is actually working as we speak right now. Nothing is working. And then the Yoruba nation agitators have made up their minds not to relent. If not Yoruba nation, then it can never be any nation. And that's why, as you can see right now, Chief Sunday Igboho on his own feet had not relented. No, because majority of people have been like, since Chief Sunday Igboho had been released from Benin detention. Majority of people are like, oh, he has never been active the way he has been. But thank God Chief Sunday Igboho came out of recent and he had made it known that you people should not get it twisted. My being quiet does not mean I am not going to take it up. Does not mean I am not still with the movement. The movement continues. In fact, of what we have heard of recent, Chief Sunday Igboho had made it known to all that the next rally that is coming up is going to be a mega one. Oduduwa Nation no going back, and exactly what it is. We cannot open our eyes and allow Talubo to enter. Okay, and then exactly what it is, my people. This is another strong one. Well, majority of people have been of the opinion that as far as this movement is concerned, the movement is a strong one and it will definitely continue to stand, and the good Lord will continue to protect the people, because we cannot allow this to continue. You can imagine how long are we going to remain in a contraction called a country? And then, as it stands right now, nothing is actually working. If we say we should continue like this, that means we are trying to, set our unborn generation up in our country whereby there is nothing good happening. Okay, and then that's exactly why the people who have woken up, who understand what is going on, have been of the opinion that no going back. It's only Oduduwa Nation that can make it happen. Either they like it or not. So, and then thank God, God has been so great that majority of the leaders right now are waking up one after the other. Well, we definitely know that some set of people are still like trying to be stubborn. Let's use it in that manner, trying to be stubborn simply because they are they believe that the peanuts they are getting for the federal government, if they venture say they are not with the federal government, they might stand a chance of losing it all. And that's why you see some of them keeping mute. We all know that. That's why you see some of them keeping mute for now, that well, this Oduduwa Nation that they are talking about, no be say we no like waiting that they talk about, but if you can't go talk am now, can't go open up now, are you sure we go still continue to they get waiting with they get, and exactly what it is? That's why you see majority of the leaders are like, oh, let's still relate. And then meanwhile, this now takes me back to what Professor Banji Akintoye said earlier, that as far as this movement is concerned, though, come 2023, as far as Southwest is concerned, there's not going to be any election. We know they vote for anybody. It's at all. Then they give on our money. If they give our youth money, make them collect. Make them collect. The youth need the money. But definitely, at the end of it, make una no vote. And then meanwhile, there have been some 25,000 naira package that have been set to give to Nigerians. Okay, and then you collecting this money, you have to drop your details, your phone number, everything, your data, everything about you, so that you go collect your own money. But remember, when you collect that 25,000 naira, if you no vote, my brother, now because right now they have to collect your data and everything. Me, I know just the talk I have I have the message sent to me, and then as it starts, oh my brother, my sister, we have to be very careful about it. All right, Oduduwa Nation, no going back, exactly what the people are still talking about. All right, my people, onto this one. Happy posthumous birthday, Adogan. May your soul continue to rest with your creator. Okay, and exactly what the people have wished the late Adogan so far onto this one. Oduduwa Nation, no going back, and then that is what it is. All right, my people, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.